So I thought I'd share what I bought as a vegan who does not have a kitchen. Hey everybody, it's Kat from Two Market Girls doing this video solo today because I actually just moved in very recently, about a week or so ago, to my new home, and I thought I would do a fun grocery haul for everybody. We don't do grocery hauls a lot. We like doing grocery hauls, but I thought this one would be an interesting one to do because the house that we just moved into, we're doing a bunch of renovations in, so we currently don't have a living room, a dining room, or a kitchen. Basically, we're living on basically the second level of our house only, so our bedroom, office, and guest bedroom. We have no kitchen, we have no stove. We got rid of that, the gas line's not connected yet. So we have no stove, we have a refrigerator and some smaller appliances like an air fryer. Lisa from the Vegan lent us her induction hot plate. We have a microwave, we have a kettle, we have a toaster, and a rice cooker. So we have some basics that we can use to cook. We haven't done a lot of cooking yet. We've basically been ordering in because we're just trying to kind of get our bearings, unload stuff, get everything set up. But we just did our first grocery haul, and I tried to grab things that were quick and easy, so I thought I'd share what I bought as a vegan who does not have a kitchen. These are some of the things that I bought. So it's gonna be really random, nothing's really organized, but I thought I'd share kind of the stuff that we bought. So we've been living off of snacks, as I normally do, but snacks especially so, because we've just been hanging out, or, you know, because we don't have a kitchen and we can't whip things up, or we don't want to keep a lot of things on hand because we don't want things to go bad, we've been relying a lot on snacks. So, bought 4 bags of chips. We were up to a Metro and we got Metro's brand 99-cent chips. We got barbecue, 2 different kinds of barbecue. We got plain and we got jalapeno. So lots of snacks. In the vein of snacks as well, this was actually from a separate grocery trip that we took to Costco, but I got dried mango because these are just so nice and easy to snack on. So I thought having snacks would be key. In addition, we also have, I was gifted for my birthday some plant-based cheeses, so I picked up just a variety pack of crackers so I can have some cheese and crackers, also make some charcuterie boards, things like that. Some of the things that I was looking for were, in addition to fresh produce and things that are easy to make, I wanted to kind of get some frozen things and things that would be easy if I'm really lazy and don't want to think about to cook, pop in the microwave or an air fryer or whatever. So I picked up this Healthy Choice plant-based meatless beef stir fry. Thought it was interesting, so we picked it up to try. We'll see if it's good. We also picked up this vegan party pack hors d'oeuvres. I love a good finger food night, so we thought we'd pick that up too to try it out. It's got potato samosa, curry coconut bites, beefless salsa bites, and chickenless kung pao bites. So it sounds really good. So I picked this up. We also picked up stuff for breakfast on the weekends. I picked up some Just Egg because it was on sale, and we do have a hot plate so we can fry up some Just Egg. Got some Beyond Breakfast sausages because these are so good. We also picked up some frozen hash browns because these can just go into the air fryer really easily. We also, what else did we pick up? In the vein of also easy, I picked up some frozen French fries because we could do like a loaded fry or just as snacks. I didn't want to kind of get, again, like I've just been thinking of things to kind of fill me up and not necessarily make these like grand meals, so French fries. Another thing I picked up for myself, Hutch won't eat these because he does not like beans, but I picked up some baked beans, cans of baked beans. I got addicted to these because Lisa, the vegan, was eating these during her pregnancy. I started eating them and they're so good, so this would be a quick and easy like breakfast or lunch, just beans on toast type of thing. Speaking of beans on toast, also picked up a loaf of bread, sandwiches, toast, that kind of stuff. Really, really simple. Another thing I want to try making, and maybe I'll film a video doing it, but I want to try and make our vegan chicken and rice skillet dinner thing that's on our blog. I want to try making it in the rice cooker instead, so I picked up ingredients for that as well. Pasta is such a super simple thing to make, so I picked up some tomato sauce. We have pasta ready from our pantry thing, so we can make pastas for dinner. I also found this sun-dried tomato pesto thing. picked that up as a different option. Let's see what else. Olive oil, because we were out. Another thing that Hutch picked up mainly, I don't really eat these, but he wanted to pick up some like instant oatmeal because these are easy, just kind of add water to them, I think. You can microwave them or just add water. So he picked these up for himself so that he can have some breakfasts. Maybe I'll try one or two. They're not my favorite thing. And then I also picked up some yogurt. I love having yogurt for breakfast or for a dessert with some frozen fruit, some chocolate, that kind of stuff. So this was a super simple meal that I could make for myself. And to go with that, I picked up some frozen fruit. So I picked up some frozen raspberries. To go with the bread and just for like charcuterie boards or snackings, I picked up some Yves deli meats. I also picked up some Dia cheddar block for the chicken and rice skillet that I want to make in the air fryer or in the rice cooker. Also picked up smoked Gouda block because it was 2 for $5. And I thought this would be good for sandwiches, grilled cheeses, that kind of stuff. Really simple meals is what I'm thinking about. And then we also, one of the things that, and we also got Yves ground round because it's quick and easy. It just kind of has to be heated up. You can pop it honestly in the air fryer or you can pop it in a skillet on the hot plate and we can make some quick like little bowls or something with that, or tacos. And then one thing I really didn't want to forget was fresh vegetables. I thought it was going to be pretty easy around this time to forget to eat fresh vegetables. So I got a few things, not too much because I didn't want things to go bad, but I got a few things. So I got some lettuce for sandwiches, salads, super simple. I picked up 2 tomatoes for sandwiches. I also picked up 2 of these because they were on sale, so they're just cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. Picked up 2 packs of them, they were on sale, and they're great for the chicken and rice skillet, or again, salads, things like that. I picked up 2 cucumbers, because cucumbers are really easy to snack on. They're really easy to add to a lot of things, sandwiches, wraps, all that kind of stuff. So I picked up 2 cucumbers, and then I picked up some bell peppers, because again, really easy for snacking with some hummus or anything like that, or in a wrap, a sandwich, a stir fry, that kind of stuff. Really simple things to make. And then last but not least, not vegetables, but I picked up some Pillsbury crescent rolls, because we've made these in the air fryer before in like in a Will It Air Fry video or something, and they work really well. We've also made vegan, like quick and easy vegan cinnamon rolls with these, so I thought this would be a nice treat to have. And I also have biscuits from a different grocery shop, Pillsbury biscuits, that would be good in the air fryer as well. We've also made those in the air fryer and they work really well. I almost forgot. We also got a box of clementines. Clementines are one of my favorite fruits to eat. It's clementine season, and it's also easy for snacking. Snacking. They're just really good for snacking. You can add them to salads, you can add them to whatever. So we got a box of these, and we've already eaten a good chunk of them. That was my grocery haul. It's kind of chaotic, kind of weird, but I'm doing it literally from my bedroom, so it's very strange. But I thought I'd do that because I thought it was interesting just to see. I'd love to know what you guys would be doing in this case if you didn't have a kitchen or a stove to cook with. What kind of things would you be buying, filling your house with? What kind of meals would you be preparing? Or would it be a lot of takeout like it is for me right now? But yeah, this is a look into my life right now. I'm gonna try and film some of the stuff that I'm making without a kitchen. So if you ever find yourself in this situation, or you have a very small kitchen, or you live in a dorm room, that kind of stuff, maybe that kind of recipe stuff will be helpful. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give a like and leave a comment down below with any advice you have, or any recipe ideas you have, or tips you have. Whatever you have, leave a comment down below. Share this video with someone who you think would find it useful, or just share it because you want to. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And thank you for watching. Have a happy and safe New Year. It's scary out there right now, so don't forget to get your booster shot if you're able to. wear a mask, wash your hands, socially distance, and I hope everybody had a very happy and safe holiday. Thanks for watching. Bye!